cute balloon. I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Is it on?
Okay, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.
Oh, that plan.
Yeah.
That is. I'm not scared.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Can I do it?
You can watch.
Okay.
How's that? Let's close this so it's not so hot. Ready? There we go.
Wee. Oh, I see the drone.
Where's it at?
Up, sky. I see it's really high. I can't jump that high. That's really, oh! It's really high right now. Oh no, it's really high. Oh! Wait, is that an airplane? Oh no, Dad.
There's an airplane up there?
Oh. I didn't know where's your drone. No, you're gonna crash by it. Whoa. Roller coaster. Disney. I can't see the drone.
That's because it's so far high up there you can't see it. There we go.
Oh no. You're gonna die, drone.
Let's go so high.
Can I do it?
Let me think about that one. Okay.
Can you go down?
Yeah, but let's look around. Okay, let's look.
Which ones go down?
What's this over here? Let's see if we can see the new train track. See the new train track there? See it go through the mountains? See the tunnel?
Oh, I see it!
See the tunnel?
Mm-hmm.
And where's the train station? See it?
Can I do it?
Yes.
Oh, you're holding it! You're gonna crash by it!
Where are we?
What? I can't see the drone!
Okay, you push this one. Here.
Yeah.
You push this one. This one goes up. See
You
this
push
over?
this?
No, just this one. Go up. See this 351? Push it up and it'll go higher and higher. We want to go to 500.
Why?
Keep going. All the way to 500.
Why?
Keep going. You got to keep pushing up.
Why?
You got to hold it.
Do you have to?
Do you want Daddy to do it?
Then you will crash by airplane.
It won't. It won't crash. I promise.
If you crash it, and you have to pay.
I'll have to pay for a new airplane, right?
You have to fix a new one.
Oh, it won't crash. And what's this up here? What's this?
Go closer.
I can't go any closer than this.
Oh, I see it.
What is that?
The tall building.
Okay.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Let's see how high we are. Okay, there's the train bridge.
Ooh. I'll be really high.
Okay, let's come back home.
2 people coming. Maybe they're master builders.
Are they master
Hey, what
builders?
are you doing? I don't know.
Okay, let's go home now, okay?
Why?
Or not home, but bring this back home. That means it comes back to the car. There's the roller coaster. See
Oh
that?
my gosh, we're really high.
Okay,
I need
let's go
to
back
see it.
home.
I need to see.
Go home.
Let's see what it does. Let's see if it can make it back. Can you see it?
Can't.
Okay, it's so high up. It's like half a kilometer up in the air.
It's higher in
Higher than what?
the
The Ferris wheel?
yeah, Ferris.
Definitely, yeah.
Fifth.
So I see our car. Okay, now it's going to come down. See our car right there? A little teeny black dot.
I can't see the drone because the
Landing.
drone's
Okay, here it comes.
landing. Oh no! Can't see. Landing.
Oh, it's way far from our car. I might have to stop it. But let's see if it comes back to the car. It should land right on top of the car. Right here.
I need to see the drone.
It's too far.
I watched the drone come down.
Okay. It's very far still.
Are you high in the?
Higher than the Ferris wheel, yes.
Still higher?
Yes.
I see your car.
Right there.
What's that road right there?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
That goes around the back. There used to be a swimming pool over there, like water slides and like a water park, but you can't go there anymore. This whole place is closed down. Would you go on that?
What?
On that Ferris wheel? Would you go there? Do you want to go on that?
I don't want to do.
I don't either. Even if it's brand new, I wouldn't go on that thing.
Yeah, me too.
When the typhoon came through, it was turning. Did you know that?
How come you know?
Because it was on the news.
So it'll be broken?
It wasn't broken, but it turned. It was turning around because the wind was blowing it so hard.
Is it like this slowly?
Slowly like this. Yeah, just a little bit, not fast. Okay.
Then someone sit on it and it will be so fast, and the people will fly.
Can you see it?
I can't.
Okay, here it comes. I think
no.
it's gonna miss us. I think it's gonna miss us. Hopefully it doesn't land on the other side of the fence.
Oh no, I can't.
Oh, maybe it's coming. Look up. Can you see it?
I see it.
Is
I
it-
can.
is
I
it
can.
coming?
It's coming down. Oh my gosh! Look up.
Oh, it's coming down. Look, it's gonna make it. Look.
Ah! No, he's gonna land on my face.
Oh, I hope it. Oh, it's not gonna do it. Okay. Well,
Oh no,
I'll
look
make,
up.
I'll make it come down. Can you look up and say hello?
Hello.
Okay,
Do you
here we
see
go.
me? Oh! Ah! Oh no, he's
Landing.
up there. I made it. Whoa.
We made it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Can I help
Cool.
you?
Let's.
Can I help you turn it off? Can I help
yeah,
you
in a
close
minute,
it?
In a minute
I mean,
you can.
close it.
Yeah, in a
Close
minute.
this.
In a minute you can, yes.